In this video, let us quickly learn how to rebalance without selling old stocks. You will receive the rebalance update via email. All you need to do is click on See Update. You will then be able to see the rebalance update. Click on See Update. You now have to click on Review Update and not Confirm Update. By default, the system will sell a few stocks for you to buy new ones. All you need to do is change the shares that have been recommended to be sold from minus to 0. Then click on Confirm Update. Click on Small Case Rebalance. Click on Confirm Order. Click on See Investments. You will then be able to see the newly added shares. Thank you so much for watching.